Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. This is a bit bigger box. So this needs scissors. Cut. I wonder what is this. Every unboxing guys, I don't know what's inside because my husband don't tell me. So I'm always surprised what's in it. My husband is full of surprises.
Let me just open the top, but that's the bottom.
So this is the bottom?
Yeah. Don't damage it too much because we may end up sending it back.
Yeah. I wonder what is this.
And keep all the things inside. Yeah, keep all the inside the box.
Oh, okay. So this is empty. Okay, let's put it. Oh, so this is Kensington.
Another one. The first one didn't work, so I bought another one. This is more expensive.
Oh.
I'm hoping it works, but in case it doesn't, send it back again.
Oh, yeah, because the other one, guys, the one that I unboxed is it doesn't work. So this is.
This one cost £18 more than the other one.
Oh, really? So this is Kensington Orbit Trackball with scroll ring.
I don't know what the ring is for.
So this is the ring. I hope it's not loose.
The ball it is, so be careful not to drop it and don't damage the packaging, because so we may end up sending this back as well. So we're taking it out of the box because the ball is loose.
There. Oh, so it's the same.
And then keeping the packaging in there. So.
Let's see. Also, this needs assembling. Okay.
Keep all that.
Okay. So this. Oh, so this is the color is. What do you call that?
Blue.
Blue. Oopsie. So.
Careful when you take it out, it will fall.
Yes. So it's okay. It's not falling. Oh, so it's good. This is not loose.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah. So this is Kensington. So that is the instruction thing there. How it should be. Hello, baby. Okay. Get personal. So that's cute. That's the photograph there. So those are the manuals. How to use. So where do you put this?
Maybe in front, so it's like the wrist thing.
Where?
In front of the thing. But you don't need that because you got
It's
your
like
mouse
that.
pad. Yeah.
Ah, so it's like that.
Yeah.
Oh. But there's no pictures how to use it. It is like that. Oh, thank you, darling, for buying this.
I just hope it works. It's £52 this one.
Really?
Mm.
52? So So what
And
is
the
it?
other one was the same brand and it was completely dead.
Oh,
That is a dodo.
yeah. There's no instruction how to put this. No. No instruction. These are different things. So this is very unusual.
Yeah. It's just to put your wrist on there.
So
But you don't really need that because you got your mouse pad with the wrist thing.
yeah. Oh, so it's like that. It's like extension.
Yeah.
Oh, now I get it. I don't need instruction for that.
Yes.
I figure it out. So that's amazing, darling. Thank you so much. So I can use this.
If it works.
I hope so.
I hope so as well.
Just be positive.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm always positive. Always think positive in every situation. Yeah, it's good because this is long. So I like it when when wires are longer
Yeah.
because I don't like stretching it. He's kissing your elbow. So can you what do you call that? Yeah. So this is Kensington.
Kensington Palace.
Yeah. Okay. So I will try it tomorrow and then I
Why
will
not?
see.
Why not tonight?
So how it works. Yeah, tonight. Yeah, I will see. Yeah, you can put it tonight, darling, and I will see
Yeah.
if it works. Yeah. Alright, okay guys, so thank you for watching this Kensington Orbit Trackball with scroll ring. So that is the ring.
Yeah. Computer mouse with trackball.
Yeah, and
The ring, I
that's
don't know
cute.
what the ring does.
That's so cute. That is so cute. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.